Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the capacitor in this Frigidaire Range Vent Hood, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Pull the right side lever down to release the grease filter. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws to release the terminal block cover. You should release the potentially stored electrical charge in the capacitor to avoid injury. You can do this by placing a screwdriver blade across the terminals. Loosen the screw securing the capacitor retaining plate to release the component. Disconnect the wires from the terminals to fully remove. To install the new capacitor, connect the wires to the terminals. Position the capacitor by inserting the mounting posts behind the retaining plate. Then tighten the screw to fully secure the plate. Reposition the terminal blocks in the housing as you align the cover. Thread the screws to secure the cover. Reinstall the grease filter by aligning the left side tabs with the slots in the hood. Then pull the lever to align the right side. Turn the power supply back on, and the range vent hood should be ready for use.